yeah. Woo, come on in here. Hey, I'm excited for you to see me here today because, you know, hey, old boy, been around the wash business for a minute, and every now and then I see a product, I kind of keep my eye on it. This is one of those products. It's a hose reel, high pressure hose reel. Use it for pressure washing, soft washing. There's other applications, open your mind up. It's a hose reel, but this one happens to offer some good quality components made by some good quality guys. And I want to touch on this product one point at a time, give you a close-up look at it. I appreciate you stopping in. I'm Roaster, and this is going to be a Wash Guy Supply video. Thanks for checking in. Let's go ahead and get right on into it. The hose reels come in 4 configurations, 2 of them in 12-inch. 12-inch offering you a half-inch manifold, as well as you can get it with the 3/4. Going up from there, everything else is running 3/4 inch manifolds in it. The 18-inch reel and the 22-inch reel, the only difference between it and this one, of course, is going to be the width. But we want to look at the finer points on this. Let's look at how this rig's put together. Let's look at the corners. Let's look at the bearings on it. Let's give you a close-up, personal look at it right now. Guys, we're looking at a full 3/16 of an inch aluminum frame construction on all these reels. All the fasteners and hardware, they're stainless steel. That's stainless steel. That's stainless steel. That's stainless steel. Spring-loaded latch. Yeah. It's stainless steel too. Stainless steel handle. Stainless steel manifold. Let's talk about this manifold for a moment. Manifold on this 3/4, whether it's a 3/4 or whether it's a half-inch manifold on an 18, 12, 22, it don't matter. That's a 3/16 stainless steel, rated at 5,000 PSI. Now, the frames, let's look at the inner seam on it. Let's take a look at these joints right here. That finish meets well. There's no gap here. I like that. Let's take a look at what it looks like from the underside. Boys, I don't care who you are, I can't weld like that. That looks pretty good. It's not just welded on this corner. It's welded on every corner. You still with me? Greaseable stainless steel pillar block bearing. Adjustable brake tensioner. And right now, you get a greaseable stainless steel swivel for free. Guess what else it does? Them rascals stack up. If your build is challenged on space, go up. Wish I had that option. Well, I really appreciate your time to take a minute to look at these hose reels with me. I'm happy with them. I know you're gonna see more of this in the future. I got some projects coming up. I'm looking forward to showing off. If you've got a project that you're working on, you wanna upgrade your wash rig, your trailer, your soft wash system, you need a new reel, please give this an honest consideration. And if you're interested, touch base with me. You can find me over at Wash Guy Supply on Facebook, or catch me right here at the Rusty Rooster channel. Hey, I hope to bring you some more good quality products here real soon. I wouldn't mind one of them thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, make fun of me, whatever you gotta do. It gets you through the day, brother. We'll see y'all next time.